What's up, buddy? Well, we got a couple packages here. Let's see what we got here. What do we got here? Looks like a EGR gasket. Who is it for? Oh, we got a couple gaskets. Let's find out who it's for.
That's what matters.
Right there. Oh, well, maybe not. Let's see.
I don't know what we're starting.
That almost looks like a axle housing gasket, but I have no clue what they're to. There's nothing in there. Looks like a couple of seals, probably for the axles. So we will open this bad boy up and see what's in here. Oh, just oil. That's no fun. That's no fun.
No.
All right, well, that's our fun for today.
We'll figure out what they get to.
Yeah. Good job, Rock Auto.
Fun.
Later.